Yeah, let go. Yeah. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, get up. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, hit that button, press play. Get to looking in the kitchen, hit that like, hit that subscribe. You gotta show that love. This loyalty run a long way like a dove. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make happen is good kitchen. So with your boy Hal right here, I have me some salmon. About to put together some Brussels sprouts, some honey walnut shrimps. It's my first time rocking with it, so we're gonna see what it do. And I also cut up some shrimps just to go with it. You hear me? Add a little something. Put my little twist here. Have me my spring onions already chopped up. So this how we doing. We'll go ahead and season this bad boy, but first I'm gonna go ahead and spray this salmon with some extra virgin olive oil. We want this seasoning to stick. I have about 5 pieces of salmon in here. I already peeled the skin back. Alright, so now we're going to hit it with some Creole seasoning, Tony's. Okay, then we're going to hit it with the paprika, give it some nice color. Some Italian seasoning. Never leave home without it. And now we're going to go ahead and mix it in and start cooking. Okay, so here we go right here. I have me some extra virgin olive oil. No, some vegetable oil, my bad. I have some pearl vegetable oil in a skillet. Like a 1/3 cup. If that. You know what I'm talking about? Then we're going to put a stick of butter in this bad boy. And we want this butter to melt. Once this butter melt, we'll go ahead and toss our salmon in here. And we probably don't need the whole stick of butter. We just go get this salmon a nice little sear color on the stove. Then we're going to throw it in the oven on 375 for the remainder of the time. Okay, there we go right there. Boom. We want that to start heating up. Get a little bubble to it. I also have my minced garlic. So I'll go ahead and toss some minced garlic in there. Go right there. Alright, so we have 5 of these bad boys. Hopefully all my good family friends is doing gravy out there. What y'all cooking in the kitchen, leave it in the comment. I appreciate the support. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and throw our garlic in there. Boom. There we go, right there with the garlic. Okay. Alright, we'll let these bad boys start cooking. And once we get in the middle of the cooking, we're going to turn the camera back on. Okay, so now it's cooking just the way I want it. Go ahead and throw me a little Worcestershire sauce in there. Then I'm going to hit it with a little bit of honey. There we go, right there. Alright. Trying not to get this bad boy to break on me, you know what I mean? Ooh, I'm gonna turn over for you, boy. There we go. That's a whole bunch of flavor right there. Look at that flavor. So we'll get inside another 2 minutes. We're gonna fix it up for the oven. Alright, so now we got it all fixed up. Boom, we'll throw this bad boy in the oven. These juices, I ain't letting that go to waste. So that's a whole lot of flavor right there. So I put that together. Go ahead and throw that bad boy in the oven on 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes. We also go toss a couple of these spring onions in there. So we're really getting that flavor going. You hear me? Now a little more honey. That's all we need. Now we famous. Okay, so here we go right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this honey walnut shrimp nice and ripe. Then we're gonna put this bad boy on the plate, you hear me? So like I said, I cut up some shrimp also to add with it. And we're gonna see the outcome. So we're gonna give these bad boys some nice saute and some butter. I have a half a stick of butter in there. All right, just a little package right here. Some walnuts. And I guess this the honey. Like I said, it's my first time rocking with it. So what I'm gonna do, put a little bit on my finger, taste it. Oh yeah. Have a nice taste to it. So if you ever want something quick and simple and some shrimp, rock with it. You don't have to worry about cleaning it, none of that. Then you gotta do is just thaw it out, pat it dry, and season it. That's it. And look at these shrimps. They nice size. You hear me? Yeah. I added me some parsley. Alright, boom. I want to overcook the shrimp. Go ahead and mix that in there. That looks good. It smells good. Yeah. Now we'll add our walnuts. Okay, so here we go right here. I'm gonna add a little honey, a little more honey to it, just a little more. Because I said I did add some more shrimp, some extra shrimps to it. Boom. Make sure that piece of shrimp get its issue with that good honey. And now we're about to put this bad boy on a nice plate. Yes, sir. Your boy done made it happen. Look at that right there. Look at that good salmon, Brussels sprouts, honey walnut shrimp. You hear me? Look at that right there. Fire. I just fed the family. Everybody got nice and full. They loved it. You hear me? Man. There's a lot of stuff that I'm introducing my mother-in-law to. She ain't never had before within her lifetime. Man, and I'm making it happen. For real. Other than that, your boy doing a stizzle. Look at that right there. Yes, sir. And I want to appreciate all my good family and friends for supporting the boy channel in the real way. Love y'all to the moon and back. It's easy. But other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. You hear me? Yes, sir.